The Saleva ALPINE X is the most comfortable to carry hybrid mountaineering ice axe. Therefore, our engineers made sure it's really comfortable to carry, and it's really lightweight with just 350 grams. Even when the terrain gets tougher, you get reliable anchoring because of the blade, which is indeed very sharp, and the weight concentrated in the head, so you have a nice swing. On a classical mountaineering ice axe, the straight shaft is the best solution because it's great for snow penetration, but then also when you do belaying with the dead man technique, because it won't rotate. Thanks to its geometry, the grippy carbide tip provides traction up to very high angles. Also, the edge is sharpened, so it's great for cutting steps. And the ice axe comes with holes on the bottom and the top, so you can clip a carabiner to it. It is compatible with the Saleva self-locking handrest and is available to lengths 65 and 53 centimeters. The Saleva ALPINE X is the most comfortable to carry hybrid mountaineering ice axe. You will notice the difference.